what end-to-end traceability is about. The end-to-end traceability program serves as an enabler for generating internal value through cost savings and fostering business growth. It also adds value for our customers throughout their new digital experience. Not clear? Let's simplify with daily life example. Let's take an example of your favorite food, for instance, pizza, and apply it to Schneider Electric products. Preparing pizza involves various ingredients, which can be classified based on their impact on your health if spoiled. For example, flour, salt, or olive oil are not critical and may not require traceability due to their extended expiration date. On the other hand, ingredients like salami, cheese, or tomatoes have a short shelf life and a high health risk if used after expiration. This is where traceability becomes crucial to protect people's health. Traceability helps in tracking food through the supply chain, enabling accurate withdrawal or recall of unsafe food when necessary. In this process, traceability is ensured by tracking the lot codes or batch codes of the perishable pizza ingredients so that we can monitor to which retail outlets these products have been distributed to later. Also, pizza outlets track the customers through online ordering or registration through contact number for offline orders. Thus, traceability is in place to track the customers to whom the affected lot has been served to, if any. In the event of an emergency, such as a foodborne illness outbreak or contamination, undeclared allergies, or other issues, traceability plays a crucial role in swiftly identifying the source of the problem. This enables a rapid and accurate response to remove affected products from the market and prevent the spread of disease, ultimately safeguarding a company's reputation. Similarly, within Schneider Electric's domain, end-to-end traceability is a vital component, allowing for the tracking of a product's origin and history from the component supplier to manufacturing of sub-assemblies and finished goods to logistics, and finally to the customer, that is, throughout the entire supply chain. For instance, drawing parallels from the food industry example, at Schneider Electric, we established traceability based on critical component definition, their mandatory registration in the MES, Manufacturing Execution System, and linking to the finished product. During shipping to customers from factory or distribution centers, finished goods are also tracked with its serial number. All the steps in the process, starting from components to manufacturing of sub-assemblies, as well as finished products, logistics till customer, are connected to one traceability repository called ALM. This ensures traceability of the product's journey throughout the SES supply chain to the OG customer location. Taking the example of master-packed breaker, let's explore how it's handled within Schneider Electric. When customer A in Malaysia places an order for master-packed breaker to the Malaysia front office, we can witness how SE manages master-packed breaker production in accordance with traceability regulations. Master-packed breaker, being a configured-to-order product, is customized to meet the customer's specific requirements with a defined final configuration. However, certain critical sub-assemblies and components are mandated for traceability to ensure quality assessment. Components such as micrologic, breaker block, coils, and cradle require mandatory traceability data registration during the final breaker adaptation process. We are building the traceability by recording the batch codes, the serial numbers, and the supplier during our manufacturing process to link these components with the master-pack breaker. A global critical components list is established for all XX factories manufacturing the aforementioned sub-assemblies, ensuring traceability compliance throughout the manufacturing process at each plant. This meticulous definition of critical components and proper capture of traceability data allows for internal traceability at every stage of the breaker's production process. From China's production of micrologic components received from OG supplier in France to its final adaptation in Singapore as a finished product for the OG customer in Malaysia. Internal manufacturing traceability involves monitoring the product at every stage of the production chain. This includes maintaining detailed records of each production phase, such as the manufacturing plant, production line, critical components, and quality control results. Another crucial aspect is downstream traceability, which entails tracking the finished product from factories to distribution centers to the first OG customer. This enables us to understand the distribution channel and facilitates product recall in case of any issues being detected. In conclusion, end-to-end traceability is a vital strategy for Schneider Electric's success. By establishing strong traceability practices across our factories and distribution centers, we can guarantee product quality, improve supply chain efficiency, and deliver exceptional value to our customers. This approach also ensures compliance with key use cases in quality management, installed base management, and channel compliance. Thank you for your attention to this important initiative.